Well, it looks like a beat on both the top and the bottom line for Johnson & Johnson in the first quarter, and we are seeing some of the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic reflected in these numbers. So let's start with the adjusted EPS. It's coming in at $2.30 versus $2 estimated by the street. Revenue coming in at $20.7 billion versus an average analyst estimate of $19.5 billion. The company is raising its quarterly dividend, but lowering its 2020 guidance pretty significantly. If you look at the sales growth guidance forecast, now down 5.5% to down 2% for the year, from an estimated growth of 4 to 5%. Now, it's really interesting looking down into the segments of J&J. Of course, they sell these huge brands like Tylenol and Motrin. The consumer health business in the first quarter for Johnson & Johnson grew 9%. And if you back out currency, 11% on an operational basis. The company saying a lot of that driven by the increased demand from the COVID-19 pandemic. Also seeing strength in their Zyrtec and Zarbee's Naturals brand for digestive health. Pharmaceuticals also growing by 8.7%. Medical devices, though, guys, down 8% for the quarter. And they're saying essentially that's impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic as well, as people aren't doing these elective procedures, the medical devices that J&J sells. So really interesting to see this first quarter of growth. And of course, J&J working hard on a vaccine for COVID-19 as well.